Right, so just a really quick video. To be honest, I wanted to do a video outside today, but I never got the chance. So I just wanted to show you some things I've got on eBay, to be honest. Some of you might be interested, some maybe not. But anyway, here's some stuff I've got on eBay. So this is all on eBay currently at the minute, and I've got some other stuff I'm going to put on soon. Nothing's expensive. I think every single thing on here is under a tenner, if not a fair bit under a tenner. I think the only thing I put on for £10 as a bidding one was this small little mouse trap, and that's on there at bidding, and the starting bid was a tenner. It's a choker type mouse trap. There's that on there. There's this other little one on there, made out of yew wood. That's one of those string trigger ones. It's got the two holes. Put the string through. That's on there. Those two are on there bidding. Everything else is just buy it now or best offer. So you can make offers. So there's a couple of catapults on there. I think that one's lime wood. That one's probably hazel. I think they're about £8, and that's with free postage. So you probably only make about a £5 on them when you've sent them, you know, in the post. It costs about £3. So probably make about a £5 each. It's single as the grey bands on them. Sling bow, arrow rest there, which I've shown you those before. Put it on like that, and you tighten that over. A Kydex neck sheath. You could wear that under a white shirt or whatever. A couple of bottle openers, what you can have on your keys. Tactical pen, as I like to call it. And these things are book page holders. Now they might look like they might work for something else, but they won't. They are just book page holders. I'll show you how you use them if you've never seen them before. Some I thought I'd give it a go. Quite like the idea. So you get your book, wherever you're reading it. You want to hold it one-handed. You put that on your thumb. You put that in the page like that, and then holds the book open while you're reading it. There's something different there. So that's that. I think I've showed you everything on there. So a couple of other things I'm going to put on is I might put some of these deadfall triggers on there. Not sure how much yet. And I may put some more of the figure 4 triggers on there. And then I'm also going to I've made this Hawaiian sling type device. And I may make some more of these and put these on for cheap. So basically you'd put like the proper ones are a harpoon, but you could use this on land with like an arrow. I've tried it with an arrow in the garage and it works brilliantly and accurate as well. You put an arrow, a stick or a spear in there, a light spear, more like an atlatl dart, in there, draw it back and then fire it. And they work decent. I've done the pouch slightly different to a normal catapult when it goes through and out the other side. I'm going to put some of those on there when I've made a few more. Quite like the idea of them. And I might also make some panna darts and some panna launchers and put them on there. Right, anyway, so just thought I'd show you that. Some things I've got on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. You know, I'm not asking anyone to do anything, just, you know, giving people a heads up if you're interested. Right, anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.